Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking an older craft that I made in one of my most popular videos and changing it up to be a Christmas theme Dollar Tree DIY. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and I'd love it if you would subscribe to my channel. So to make this craft, I'm using 2 of the wax melters from Dollar Tree. These are really cute and have the snowflake cut out of them. So the video that I am referring to is this Dollar Tree Farmhouse DIY, and let me know in the comments below, have you watched this video? I'll link it in the iCard if you want to go check it out and down below. After I made it home, I realized that one of the snowflake little wax melters had a chip in it, but this is fine because I'll be turning them backwards. But this would be cute if you faced one of them forward as well. I'm going to be reusing a candlestick that I had used in a Halloween DIY, but this is just a clear glass one from Dollar Tree, and I will be painting this. I just pulled it off of one of my little pumpkin lanterns. And then I'm also going to be using a couple of these red birds. These were in the Christmas with the ornaments at Dollar Tree, but they're just red sparkly birds. Their beaks did fall off for whatever reason. I have one of them in that bag, but then this one I couldn't find the bag, so I will be taking the little beak off of an old bird that I had in the spring, and this worked really good. And then I'm using this pick that has the pine cones, the greenery, and the red berries. So this worked perfect for this project, and this came from Dollar Tree as well. So I did want this to be a lighter color, so I'm going to be using some of the Waverly chalk paint in the mineral color. These little painting trays that I use comes from Dollar Tree as well. I think it's in like a 3-pack, and I just like to use this instead of using paper plates all the time. And I did end up using 2 coats of the paint just to cover this dark gray color. After the paint had dried, I used some of my E6000 and applied that around the top. This gives it more of a long-term hold, and then the hot glue holds it in place while the E6000 dries. I removed the sticker off of the bottom of the little wax melter so it would be able to stick really well and not to the paper. And after I had added the hot glue, I just stuck it on the bottom of there and tried to get it in the center. I think these are so cute setting beside each other with one taller and one shorter, but you definitely could add candlesticks to both of these or just forget the candlestick. I'm going to be using just the tops of this little floral piece, so I pulled off all the pine cones and the berries, and I'm just going to tuck them into the little wax melters. Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Using the leaves also take up a lot of space and give it more of a full look to it. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? I think by adding pine cones to everything, it gives it more of the woodsy cabin cozy Christmas that I'm going for. So I love putting this in all of my crafts, but feel free to make these any way that you would want to fit your home style. So I did end up using 2 of the floral picks because I did make them really full in there, but it worked perfect. I was able to use 1 per wax warmer. Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. I picked up these red glittery birds from Dollar Tree. I think they were really pretty. Their little beaks did fall off, so I ended up having to hot glue that on, but I thought these would work perfect for this little Christmas DIY. As you can see, it just slides right in there, but they did keep falling out, so I did use some hot glue. I also removed the little clip from the bottom so that they would set more flat on top of the candle warmer. I guess I had threw away the package of his little beak, so I ended up stealing one off of this bird I got back in the spring from Dollar Tree, but this fit perfect and it was no big deal to take it off of there. I didn't like the super long tails and all of the little shiny plastic pieces hanging off the tail, so I just tried to pull the little plastic pieces off and then the whole back feather came off, but I think this worked out really good. I love how the birds look little and compact on top of the little nest.
Christmas memories.
I used some of my Spanish moss on top of these nests. I ended up just hot gluing it down. And then I just hot glued the bird directly onto the Spanish moss.
It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas.
At first I was just going to set the little branches and berries in there without gluing them, but they did shift around a lot whenever I tried to pick them up. So I didn't secure them down the best, but I did add a little bit of hot glue to like the bottom of the pine cones to help hold it in place.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you.
So this is what it looks like when I got it all put together. I love this spin on that original farmhouse bird nest decor pieces that I had originally made. So make sure you check out that video too and let me know in the comments below which one did you like the best. But I think this is super cute for Christmas and you could personalize this for any of your home decor. Thank you all so much for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up. Bye!